Okay, so this video is about stump grinding. I got to give a shout out Northwest Georgia to Grinderz Stump Grinding 706-676-2519. They're fully insured. They came out to my house today, did some grinding, gave me this sweet t-shirt. And so come right back and we'll talk about what's going on in my yard and some stump grinding that Grinderz here in Northwest Georgia 706-676-2519 did today. Thanks. Okay guys, no intro today, just straight into it because I am tired. Have you ever had a stump ground up and had to clean up after it? I did today. 100-plus-year-old black oak. This is what they normally use to make whiskey barrels with, is what I've been told. So the guys came out today. I'm going to attach some pictures of what the stump looked like before and some videos of what it looked like during it, and then a stump, or not a stump, a part of the log that I've taken off. But here's part of the bottom half of it right here. Here's my hand. May not look very big in that video, but it is big. Here is the area that the tree was in. And I've already removed a lot of the dirt. I used it and put the chips over there. And let's see here if you can see that in the trampoline area. That's just going to be some more compost that'll break down over time. I put in that area over there, which is good for the soil. It dries up a lot. So this area here, I plan on replanting this or reseeding this entire backyard in September. I'm going to leave this just like it is through all the rainstorms and everything to settle throughout the summer and through the early part of September. Then I'll come back after it's settled and I'll do some compaction on it. And then I'll come back and put some topsoil and some other organic matter in it, some mushroom compost and things like that. And then I'm going to come back and reseed all of this with fescue. It's been a rough time for the backyard this summer. We've had a lot going on back here. We've had some construction going on up here where we put a roof on the deck and got some other things going on. So with the stump grinder coming in and with the guy coming in to cut the tree down, construction coming in back here, this old yard has had a lot of compaction, and I'm doing some compaction videos with the next products, some Air 8, RGS, and some Humic 12. So this is what's left over right here. That's a lot of cleanup, believe it or not. And I have a lot of stress going on back here in the yard. So watch the videos that I'm going to have attached to this. Look for the pictures and it'll show you what was taken down. I'm going to see if I can find some pictures of the old black oak that was here that they took down prior to it being cut down. But that's it for tonight. This Bermuda brine, I am tired. It's been, I guess, 2 to 3 weeks in the 90s. Maybe a few days of sprinkles. My water bill is going to be outrageous this month. My wife's going to love me. But anyways, appreciate you guys watching my videos. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, comment, subscribe to me. Let me know how I'm doing. Appreciate it. Y'all have a great night.